Okay, this is the fasting kit. It comes with 5 days worth of meals. Everything is laid out. There's a breakfast, a lunch, a snack, and a dinner. You can eat the foods in any order. You can save them up and eat them all in the evening, or you can have them in that order. It doesn't matter. Each meal is slightly different. As you can see, there's like alga oil, and there's other little supplement tablets that are included each day, and all the tea is. And then there's L drink as well. And this is all just formulated to put your body into what's called a fasting mimicking diet. So as far as your body's concerned, you're not eating any calories. Here is day one. Just do this one-handed. And that's all the food for day one. And each day is slightly different. And it's all numbered. So the beauty of doing fast is that a fast is the healthiest thing a human can do. Most humans just can't do it though because it's difficult to fast. I've been fasting for not quite 10 years, but a long time, water fasting. I've been using the fasting mimicking diet for about 4 years simply because it's a hell of a lot easier and I get the exact same result. The results are, if you wait to lose, you lose weight. Particularly, you don't really lose, the type of weight you lose is not muscle, but only fat, okay? Traditionally, when people try and lose weight, they generally lose a lot of muscle, which means that they're better at getting fat in the future, which is unfortunate because the reason they tried to lose the weight was because they had too much fat. With a fast, because our bodies are designed, if you just think back to where we came from, your body doesn't know that there's a Tesco around the corner or that you have a fridge. It still thinks it's fucking living in the wild, okay, and hunter-gatherer style. So your body's designed to go for periods without food, and it puts physiological processes in place that when we go on a fast, we boost all our amazing hormones, like our human growth hormone, like our testosterone. These are all hormones that, when we were in our 20s, we could likely eat a lot more junk food and we'd way more energy. It's just because we had more of these hormones. As we age, our body slows down. But by biohacking our body and putting it through its natural process of feasting, we just feast all the time, all right? But when we do what it's designed to do, which is feast and fast, we get our body working much better. We make ourselves better, have better insulin sensitivity. And if anyone's struggling with their weight, it means that you're struggling with your insulin sensitivity. So it makes your body better at using its insulin and not needing to produce as much insulin, because more insulin means more body fat. So it helps with insulin sensitivity. You also get what's called cellular autophagy. And what cellular autophagy is, because your body is now food and it's the most intelligent machine on the planet, it looks around and eats all the bad cells. And there's tons now of amazing scientific research to this, to do with cancer, to do with all other stuff, that fasting is a really healthy protocol to, there's also research on preventative cases for all this stuff, because your body's just doing a clear out and it's not letting anything manifest or grow when you do a fasting protocol. Other amazing benefits, of course, are weight loss, because you're not eating, or you're eating very low calories. And the fasting mimicking diet, your body thinks it's not eating, but for us as humans, it makes it easier because we are actually eating. Now, the meals are pretty small, but we're getting to eat food every day, so it's not like a traditional fast, which is bloody hard. Like when you stop eating on a Sunday and you're like, I'm not going to get to eat anything until like Friday. It's emotionally very difficult. I've done it a lot. So the fasting mimicking diet, I've now put 120 people through the process. I've had one person, I'm not sure, did the second person not see it through. I have to contact them, but they just weren't well. I think they actually have COVID in the middle of it. So that's a pretty high success rate with people who are able to get through this. And do it. And I provide all the coaching and accountability, and they educate you through the process through the week, and you have a community of other people who are all doing it. So it makes the journey easy. It can be amazing for weight loss or for health, or a combination of both. But the results that we get in a fast are anywhere between 5 and 20 pounds of fat loss, so it's absolutely amazing. If you are interested, shoot me a message. The kits cost €200. All the coaching, all the accountability is all free. It comes just because you are purchasing the kit from me, and I make the journey a lot easier for you. I encourage you to go down the fasting rabbit hole, because for me it's the best biohack that there is, to be able to have a life that you can enjoy the joys of life, but also not have to suffer from the ill health and the fatness that most people struggle with, because they don't understand that our bodies are designed to fast and feast. And most of the time we just try low calorie diets which reduce our metabolism, and it works for a while, but then it stops working, and people end up on this cycle, which is it's just, that's why Weight Watchers is such a successful business, because no one ever gets the result in the long term. Okay, shoot me a message if you need any more info. Denny out.